Welcome back to Vahrenberg Implement, and today we're here with a cool tool to take your loader to a new level. This is the 180 MPC 4-in-1 multi-use, multi-purpose bucket from Quicke. Quicke is the manufacturer that builds the quality, dependable loaders for Massey Ferguson tractors. And they also build great implements, original implements to match your tractor needs. What we feature here today is the 180 MPC bucket is a skid steer quick attach, and we're getting ready to hook her up here. You can see we've got the skid steer quick attach ready to go. We're going to show you how to hook this bucket up. This tractor already has the third function kit from Massey Ferguson, which is actually supplied to us from Quicke for your FL 2611 loader here on this 1840 M compact tractor from Massey Ferguson. We're gonna hook her up and show you all the different functions you can do with your Quicke 180 MPC bucket. This is a 72-inch bucket, 180 millimeters if you're into the metric system. This bucket weighs in at 392 pounds. A standard bucket that we just took off was 251 pounds, so you're only looking at about 141 additional pounds of weight. That includes your cylinders on your right and left side, the added cutting edges, the added steel that's in the bucket itself. So you've got a good heavy-duty bucket to do a lot of work so that you can get more done without having to get off your tractor. And that's the purpose of the multi-use bucket, and we're going to show that to you here today. We're going to fire this Massey up, and what we're going to do is we're going to drive this tractor into that bucket there, put our power shuttle, take off our parking brake, pull forward gently and easily. Then we're going to raise the bucket up where our skid steers come underneath both sides. Pick it up, roll it back just a little bit. See, we rolled it back. Set the parking brake, and we're going to get off the tractor and hook the latches to connect this 4-in-1 bucket to this by just flipping that lever and that lever. Simple, easy. It's attached to the tractor safely now. If you look right here, you make sure those silver pins are down inside on both sides, and it's securely on there. You want to make sure your implements, when you change them, are securely on. I like to take them and test them by tapping them on the ground. We're going to hook the hydraulics up next. And while we got the tractor off, is a great time to just come over here. You're going to hit this button, and we're going to work side to side, because now we've relieved the pressure. It's going to make hooking the hydraulics up so much easier. One of the things using genuine original implements from Massey Ferguson and Quicke is these hoses are color coded. And if you look at those rings, you got a blue ring and a red ring there. They're going to match up to here to make this easy to hook up. What we're going to do is we're going to take our cap off of here. Take our cap off of here. Put our got that one connected. Now we're going to connect the red hose, which is our other hose. And if you pull these sleeves back just a hair, they make a snap to put these on. Now he's ready to do something with this bucket. With this bucket, you still got your raise and lower. Your tilt is to the left, your dump is to the right. When you push the solenoid valve, opens the bucket all the way up. Push the valve and go left, it closes. Solenoid third function makes it so easy to do third function implements. We're going to back up here. We're going to open our bucket, flip it down here. Go forward a little bit. Try to grab that pallet. Look what we got there. We got our pallet. Put it in reverse. We're going to take it back to the dump pile. That's one of the cool features of the 4-in-1 bucket, is the ability to grab stuff. You can see here we've grabbed the pallet and we're able to move it without having to get off the tractor. That was one function we were able to do without leaving the tractor, is grab our pallet to remove it. It's a grabber, is one of the functions of the 4-in-1 bucket. We're headed to our free pile here. We've got a pile of wood and pallets and stuff we give away. Shipping, we don't need this one anymore. So we take her up here, turn the pallet over, hit our solenoid third function button. We're going to open it up, and we've dropped our pallet right there onto the stack. That's one of the other functions of grabbing and dropping material. Some of the cool other things is you can take this thing and you can put this bucket, you can put the scraper down, the back edge down, and you can back drag with it. You can see how we back drag. By tipping that bucket back, we're able to back drag and pull material with the back cutting edge. You can see all the way across here. Allows you to fluff up your rock, make it level, create a nice level surface. That is one of the cool features of it, of the 4-in-1 bucket. So there's another feature that you can do without having to leave the tractor, is back dragging with your 4-in-1 bucket. Here's another cool feature. Using the front, we've raised the back up and we're going to go backwards. This way we use the back cutting edge on the front side to pull material up, and if it keeps rising, it's going to flip it up and bring that material up and over where you've got, you bring your rock to the surface, you leave your fines on the bottom, but you fluff your gravel up to get more use out of it. You don't have to buy as much gravel from the gravel man. Like with any bucket, you got the ability to pick up material like we did here with a traditional bucket front cutting edge. Here's one of the coolest features I like of this bucket. As you've seen, we opened up the bucket a little bit and sifted material out to lay it out so you've got a nice thin layer, versus if you're dumping it, you're going to get these big humps and clumps here. Gives you an easy way to spread gravel and make it easier to do more work with less functions. You got the dozer blade, you've got the spreader device, you got a regular bucket, you've got a grappling device. There's a lot of things you can do with these 4-in-1 buckets that you would have to take off. You'd have to get off the tractor every time to open and close the implement. I hope that helped you learn the functionality and the versatility of the ALO Quicke 180 MPC 4-in-1 bucket. There's a lot of functions you can do, like we showed. You can doze, you can grab, you can back drag, you can use it as a traditional bucket on the front without leaving the seat of your tractor. These are really hot items. We got the 180 MPC, which is a 72 inch. We've got the 170 MPC is a 66 inch bucket here, and they also make a 54 inch for the subcompact tractors. All skid steer quick attach, all available to take your compact tractor or small utility to a whole new level. Wouldn't that be awesome to have one bucket to do many things? That's what you get with the ALO Quicke multi-use, multi-purpose 4-in-1 buckets. Go check them out at your Massey Ferguson dealer today, or your Quicke, ALO Quicke dealer, which ALO Quicke is distributed by Rhino Ag and Bush Hog dealers around the North America. So get one, put it on your tractor, and take it to a whole new level of functionality and performance today.